Good morning, student. In previous classes, we discussed the topic series combination of the resistance. In this class, we discuss the topic parallel combination of the resistance. That means what is the net resistance when there are so many resistances are in parallel combination. Let us start the class. Series parallel combination. Parallel combination. Parallel combination of resistance. Of the resistance. Okay. Suppose that there is three parallel resistors R1, R2, R3. R1, R2 and R3 are the three resistors which are arranged such that they are in parallel combination. Suppose that this is the source of current, that means battery or cell, which give current in the circuit. Suppose that this current is I. This is I. From point this A, this current I is distributed into three parts. Suppose that there is I1 current flowing through R1 and I2 current flowing through R2 and I3 current flowing through R3. And the potential difference across each resistor is V. What is the difference between series and parallel combinations? So in series combination we have seen that the current across each resistor is same, but potential difference is different in case of series combination. But in case of parallel combination we have seen that potential difference V across R3, R2 and R1. R1, R2 and R3 potential difference across three resistors are same, but current through R1 is I1, R2 is I2, R3 is I3. That means different. That means if current is different flowing through the different resistor, then that combination of the resistor is called parallel combination. Okay. And the arrangement of resistor of two or more than two resistor such that current flowing through each resistor is different, such that the current flowing through each resistor is different. या इस मत लिखा है इसको आप लिखो different, but what is what? But potential difference across each of the resistor. Each of the resistor is same, but potential difference across each of the resistor is same. Is same. Therefore, we can say that net current through the circuit. Net current is I, which is the sum of I1, I2 and I3. Therefore, we can say that net current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is equation number 1. So what is I1, I2 and I3? We see that I1 is the current across R1, I2 current across R2, I3 current across R3. So according to Ohm's law, we also know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. That means potential difference across this is V is equal to I1 R1. That is current across R1 is I1 is equal to V upon R1. क्योंकि हम जानते हैं, because we know that V is equal to IR, therefore I is equal to what? V upon R. This is according to the Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, current across R1 is I1. Current across R1 is what? V upon R1. That means which is equal to I1. Similarly, across R2 is V upon R3. R2 is equal to I2, and R3 is V upon R3. That means I3. Okay. If we assume that net current is I and net resistance is R, then let net resistance in a circuit is capital R, then I is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? V upon R. I is equal to V upon R. So we see that current across I1 is V upon R1, I2 is V upon R2, I3 is V upon R3, and I is V upon R. Therefore, from equation first, we can replace these values, that means I1, I2, I3 by V upon R1, V upon R2, V upon R3. We know that. So from equation first, we get I is replaced by V upon R, V upon R, and I1 is V upon R1. That means V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. If we take common V, then we can cancel to each other. Therefore, we can write here V 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay? If you are given two resistors which are in parallel combination, then their resultant is always less than. That means the resultant is always between the given resistors, never below the lower resistance and never high the upper resistance. That means if you select 2 and 4 are the two resistors which are in parallel combinations, then their resultant resistance lies between 2 and 4, not before 2 and not for after 4. Okay, but in series combinations, resultant resistance never lies between the given resistance, which is always more than the upper resistance. Okay, this is the identification. Yeah, this is the process to check your calculations.